Okay, why is my mic muted in the first place? Okay. If you're looking for a tutorial, watch this because I'm gonna teach you some things that if you don't know it, I'll teach you. Wait, what's home tab? Oh yeah. Uh since since when did I create one? Okay. How to put a banner image. Click upload and get a picture that you want or a file. Yeah, just the same thing. Okay, I'm changing this name. Uh, Nude. Wait. Okay. I'll keep it like that. Publish. I said publish. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to put subtitles and screens and the links in the corner of videos. Okay, I'm gonna damage this song. Oh, how will this instead? Okay, subtitles. Just click anything you want and type something and then choose where you wanna put it. And if you wanna add another thing, click this. Click. Hey, don't wanna scream today. Okay. Why is it an American subtitle? Okay. I just put. Oh yeah, I already put a. Just click this and choose anything you want. If you click here, well, uh, you already know what to do when you it. So check it. I forgot what is that. Okay, I click anything. I'm just gonna something here. Okay. Okay, okay, go back. Oh yeah. Oh, I found what I'm going to channel. How do I have 62 subscribers on what? You guys want to see it? Then you you never gonna get you down. Oh, okay. A A A. Okay, why do I? Okay, my favorite letter is the letter A. Okay, sorry. Why did it show the caps lock? Hey, that's all for today's video. Please subscribe. I wanna be like my old channel with 62 freaking subscribers. Okay, gonna ready this because this video is gonna be uploaded to my channel in, I don't know. If you're watching this date, it's not, it's already uploaded. That even if you're already